see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause but it's all
What size are you now, yeah?
alright, sugar.
Alright.
And when we fight, wants to start, and this time.
Good morning, guys! Today is Wednesday, April 20. Dinideprost ko lang yung ating bacon kasi. Magbe-bacon tayo. Yan, okay na. Okay na. Yung mga bata nasa labas na, guys. Wait lang. Lagay ko lang ito dito. Okay.
Can you open it?
What do you want? Siya magluto.
But I will try my best to carry on without you like you've done. Though I'm lost and out of breath, I will carry on without you like you've done. But I'm not over you. I'm not over you. I'm not over you.
Bukas na lang daw yung bacon namin lutuin kasi yung kapitbahay namin nagluto ng bacon. So, magluto na lang tayo ng eggs. Ayan. Ayan na yung eggs. Kailangan ko magluto ng 9 eggs. Kulang pa ng isa. So, i-deliver na natin to sa kapitbahay natin kasi dito tayo magbe-breakfast. Si Sak, nandun na sa kanya. Kasi sa kanya gusto niya lutong-luto. Okay. Ayan yung mga bata. Ayan. Nag-skate na naman sila. Ayan na, guys, yung breakfast. Show your breakfast, Nak. Why you got 2 eggs?
Alright, no.
Why?
Already ate one egg.
Huh? Plate? Okay. Yan, pinalagyan niya na ng tubig yung kanyang tumbler. Welcome. Han, baby! How's your breakfast? How about you? Did you have? Okay, yours? Good. Okay, very good. Where is yours, Baba? Come on, eat that one. Okay. Put it on the table. Okay, tapos na tong eggs. Mamaya na lang yan dyan. Lagay ko ulit to sa freezer bag, pero sa fridge na siya. Hindi na siya sa freezer. Ito yung freezer bag. Kasi bukas na lang to. Ito yung breakfast ko, guys. Egg and bacon. Mamaya ko na siya kainin. Linisin ko muna dito kasi ang kalat-kalat. And make up the bed first.
Yeah, my heart belongs to you. I'm not over trying to see it your way, to figure out why you left. I know that I have done something so.
Kuhaan daw natin siya ng damit. Mag-change na si Holly. Yan. Say good morning.
Good morning, guys. I'm going to the park with Ivy, and she said I have to get dressed, so I like it.
Okay, siya. Ayan, nakabihis na siya. Nakapaglinis na ako sa kusina, na hugasan ko yung mga pinagkainan at nailigpit ko na rin sila. And yung bed, naayos ko na. Nagva-vacuum sana ako, kaso namatay yung vacuum natin. So, kailangan natin siyang i-charge. Meron ko ditong carrots. Galing to dun sa friend namin. Bibili sana ako, pero sabi niya marami siyang carrots at saka potatoes. Kasi nga, mamaya magluluto tayo ng pork. Then, aalis sila. Ayun sila. Alis sila. Ayun na sila. Magdadrive sila doon sa, punta sila sa Port Elliot, kung saan kami pumunta before nung kasama namin sila, Kylie. So, hindi na kami sumama. And, yeah, magluto na lang tayo mamaya. And, mag-i-edit ako muna. Tapusin ko yung ini-edit ko kagabi kasi hindi ako nakapag-edit kagabi kasi ayaw niya nga ako mag-edit na. Hi, Han. Han, you need to charge. Then, eto yung breakfast ko. Hindi pa tayo nakapag-breakfast. Yeah, may problema. May problema dito sa caravan. Yan na yan. Ayan yung charger. Oh. See? Nice and clean here, babe. Is it working? Okay, buksan niyo yung bintana para may air.
So you just do that and you just go.
Alright. Mash, okay. Where's the kids?
There.
Sila Kuya and Holly, oh. Where's Zach?
What's that here?
Initin ko yung aking tirang sabaw, guys. Pinapatapon na yun ni Jen. Ang sarap kaya nung sabaw. Yung sa Vietnamese, initin ko tapos i-dip ko ba yan? Sarap. Pag-toilet na tayo, guys. Ayan, iniinit ko na yung aking Vietnamese soup or noodles. Ay, mainit na. Another 30 seconds. 1 minute yun eh. Ay, wait lang. Another 1 minute pala. Si Holly tsaka si Kuya nasa gaming room sila. May humingi sila ng pera kay Jan. Andun sila sa gaming room. Si Zach nasa park. Mag-isa. Siya na talaga. Pero may mga friends na rin yata siya doon kasi may kausap siya kanina dito. Si Zach na talagang friendly. Kausap niya si Joe. Kasi pinag-uusapan nila yung mga experience sa caravan. Okay na ito, guys. Ay, mainit. Wait lang. Dito na yung dalawa. And ito na yung aking soup.
Did you get it?
I have it. Got on it. Came up. It fell just before it got in the box. I'm like, oh. but it gave you lollies though, so that was good.
So she didn't get the toy.
No.
Aww.
You never, them things you're never going to win because they're made to lift it, but then they're that loose
Yeah.
they just drop. That's how they make the money.
That's right,
Where's
yeah.
the Zach?
I don't even know where it is.
Hey, let's get the pump track.
Oh,
I'll give that to Zach.
No. For what? Hey, this is yours.
Give it to Zach.
Give it to Sa.
For?
Give 2
Yeah.
to...
Where's the head one?
Kasi si Zach hindi pa pumunta sa sa gaming.
Four,
4. How many you had? 4?
no, two.
2. So give $2 to Zach and $2 to you.
Okay.
You've had 4.
Yeah.
Oh,
You
give.
wanted me to get it.
Why are you always eating lollies, Holly?
So what you were saying, Bev?
Huh?
What you were saying? Ayun yung amoy nito. Kasi may cilantro siya, guys, yung coriander. What were you saying? Ano siya, na-disappoint lang siya. Kasi binayaran niya kaya to, guys, na bayad to, hindi to loan na na caravan. Tapos meron kasi kung maalala nyo, nagbiyahe si Jan sa Adelaide para i-fix yung shower kasi nung ginamit to ni Jan sa bahay, yung shower, nagli-leak yung tubig sa hindi siya dumidiretso sa pipe. Diretso siya kung saan nakatayo yung caravan. Babahain kami. So sabi ni Jan, rining niya, sabi niya, kailangan daw yun i-fix. Tapos finix etong light dito. And then the kids light, right, Han?
That one's still.
Oh, still?
Yeah, because it happened when I got back.
Oh, okay, yun. Yun din. Tapos ngayon, first time niyang magluto sa electric, nagamit yung PowerPoint dun. Hindi nag-work, guys. Kanina nakapagluto tayo ng eggs dahil si Ben, meron siyang extension cord na mahaba na pwedeng isaksak sa PowerPoint dito sa park. Kaya nakapagluto tayo. Kaya medyo siya, nadi-disappoint kasi yun nga, hindi siya loan, hindi niya tuloy noon na caravan. Binayaran niya talaga to para tapos. And yun, tinawagan niya si Joe. Is Joe's gonna have a service, Han? When?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. They're leaving tomorrow. Oh, sila
And they're
Joe.
staying at West Beach.
Oh,
4 days.
4 days. Oh, nice. Sila Joe, alis sila bukas for service. May service to may service sila tomorrow. So, punta sila ng Adelaide. So, tinawagan na ni Jan na i-check lahat para, ilista ba para ma-fix na pagpunta. Kasi hindi kayo madali. 5 hours kaya to, or 6 hours magbabiyay. Kasi dahan-dahan ka lang dahan-dahan ka lang magpapatakbo. Tapos ganito may mga konti, lang naman. Konti, pero, di ba, parang, akala mo okay na lahat, tapos hindi. Pero sabi ko kay Jan, magdala na lang kami ng mahabang extension cord, just in case, if ever, ipa-fix niya to. Kasi tinawagan niya na yung kung saan namin to binili na magpapa-appoint. Are you gonna make an appointment, huh? For this one, or what?
No.
Oh, how are you gonna do that one?
In the mouth.
In the mount.
Yeah, I like taking it back there. I'll just repair point and go to the mouth.
So why you ring them? What for?
Well, I can pay for it when I get it done in the mouth.
Ah, okay. So, instead na magbiyahe si Jan sa Adelaide, ipapafix na lang ni Jan yung PowerPoint sa mount, tapos sila magbayad. Kasi bayad na kaya, as in, syempre, dapat sila magbayad ng mga ano, kung ano man yung mga dapat ayusin. Kasi extra kaya yun, extra money kaya yun. Kaya, yun. Are you just waiting for them to ring you back? Hinihintay niya kasi tinawagan niya na. So, we'll see. Update ko kayo mamaya, guys. Tapos si Joe, what's that?
You open that one?
Open this?
The roof.
Here?
Slowly, yeah. Might be lighting there.
Yeah. So, yun guys. So, kaya rining niya na si Joe kasi nga magpapa-appointment sila ng caravan nila para ma-check na nila yung mga hindi nag-work. Tapos, mayroon din sila, Joe, yung ilaw daw sa bed nila. Bigla na lang umiilaw. Bigla na lang daw talaga nag-on. So, isa yun. Tapos, the floor as well, Han? For Joe? Yung floor nila medyo may soft daw. Isa amin, buti na lang, chinek namin. Hindi naman. Okay yung floor namin. Yun lang. Yes, I did.
Where?
It's in my makeup pouch.
So you put them all in different spots.
So, yun. Si Joe, kaya tinawagan niya rin si Joe para i-check nga lahat. Para pagpunta nila doon, everything ma-fix. Everything ma-fix.
So that one's like Dad used to have.
What? Caravan?
So that one over there.
Yeah.
One.
Mm-hmm.
Remember that Joko we had?
Yeah, the folding one. Si Dad kasi mayroon ding caravan pero binenta na. Nakita nyo na rin ata yun kasi ginamit din namin yun. Doon nga sa bay. Hi!
G'day!
It's a little bit wriggly, so
What would that cause?
sometimes inside there's little contacts that close as we push a plug in.
They haven't rang back yet, have they?
No. So who are they?
Oh no, they're working over there.
And then you just...
R&C electrical, and I thought I'll get them to come and test it, see if it if it's working. And yeah, he goes, that's a bit dicky. Push it right in, it won't work. Just wiggle it out a little bit and it works. Where that's not right.
Okay.
So I said to him, can you get a new one? He said, oh, it depends who's paying for it. I said, I'll pay for it, and I'll just tell them how much it was, and they can pay me back.
That's
But
right.
if you can fix it now, it'd be good. So you're going to try to chase one of them up.
Okay. Edit na ako and si Jan kinuha yung isang pack ng... Asa na siya? Fruit box. Ilalagay niya sa SK kasi yung mga bata mamaya, mauuhaw na naman mga yan. Baba! Where's your tumbler? Baba! Where is your water bottle?
It's outside.
Alright. Look after, okay? Look after your
I'm
water.
going to the shake pot. Who's that staying here?
Yeah, but don't bring that water, okay?
I won't.
Thank you. What did you do?
Put my grips on.
The new one?
Yeah.
Linagay niya na
You
raw
can
yung...
go check. Look.
Later.
It says go fast on the grip.
Really?
That's what it
Pinalitan
says.
niya na yung grip niya,
I
guys.
fell
Dun
off
sa
twice
Oh
today.
my God!
I fell off when I jumped up. It's not that bad, it's just that.
Ang dami niya ng tama,
But this
guys.
one's badder.
Yeah, ang dami niyang tama, oh.
Because I fell off the side.
Oh my God. Where's my little girl? How are you, yeah? How are you?
Good.
Good.
It's time.
Na 10. Oh my God, mag-11 na.
Feels like 11.
Still editing.
Feels like...
Meron siyang speaker. Ang suot pala ni Zach na jumper din ay yung nabili pa namin yan nung
Give us
ilang
one.
taon na rin.
Do you have any
2
more?
years or last year. Yung Santa Cruz din yan na jumper.
I didn't get
Don't stick any sticker in our caravan, please.
it back on there.
Okay. May Santa Cruz sticker siya. Sabi ko, wag niyang idikit dito sa caravan. Nag-change. Oops! Nag-change na siya ng bagong t-shirt. Oh, di ba? Sinara niya tayo. What's that? Meron naman siyang
Put the
pinapakita.
same on. The matching one.
That's the old short, right?
Yep, this one here.
And this is the new one. Ayan, binili ko. And mayroon naman ka-match na shirt niya. Oh. Tinernohan niya naman. You look cool.
Cool. Let me shut this.
Don't shut that one, love. Yeah. Close the cabinet. What's that? Meron naman siyang
Put the
pinapakita.
same on. the matching one.
That's the old short, right?
Yep, this one here.
And this is the new one. You really look cool.
Cool. Let me shut this.
Don't shut that one, love. Yeah. Close the cabinet. Wala yung kalaro niya. Wala si Ivy. So, dito siya sa akin. Magko-coloring book siya. Yung boys nandun sa daddy. Andun sila.
I'm on this pack, but Quizak done that and that died, and I didn't want it to be rainbow.
It's alright. Bago tapos mag-edit guys, si Jan, tinatight niya yung ating owning kasi mahangin. Ano siya, medyo maingay. Kagabi medyo maingay. Yung parang, yung clap siya ng clap. So ngayon, tinatight niya. Kasi medyo mahangin ngayon. Dito na silang lahat. And ako, ayan. Still editing, guys. Alas 12 na. 12:20 na, guys. Uploading na yung aking vlog. Tulog si John. Kaalas 2 na ng hapon si Olive din nakatulog. Yung dalawang boys, nandun sila sa skateboard. Sa skatepark. Ayan si Moshi. Oh, tulog siya. Wala kasi si Ivy. Guys, update. Ano na, 2:14 na. Alas 2 na ng 2:15. Pero naka-PJs pa rin tayo. Pero nakakilay tayo, guys. Wala naman kasi kami pinunta ni Jan. Dito lang kami sa caravan. Nakita nyo si Jan nakatulog siya. Ginising lang siya ni Holly. Si Holly nakatulog din. Then, pagpunta ko doon, nagising si Holly nung blinag ko siya. Tama-tama, dumating na rin yung aming mga kaibigan. So, ginising na ni Holly si Jan. Ando na sila sa labas. Ayun na si Holly. Ayun. Pero, alis ulit si Ivy. We're gonna have a swim? Yeah, magsiswimming na sila.
Pool. Poopy in there.
Oh, mag-slide sila. Sa slide sila. Oh.
So that's the funnest one there.
Yeah, so...
Okay,
mag-change sila. Mag-slide sila, guys. Ako, magluluto. Ay, sorry. Okay, close the door. It's cold. My God, the wind is cold. How you gonna...
The wind is nice.
The wind is cold. How you gonna manage the cold water?
No,
Are you gonna go swimming?
towel.
Swimming or
Slide.
slide?
Slide.
Slide.
Have more fun in there.
Don't see me.
I don't see you. Okay, don't. Okay.
Ew.
Huh?
That didn't look fun.
And ito yung kinain nila kanina. Nag-cheese sila. Tapos, Twiggies.
Holly, I want
And then Doritos. Ayan. Okay. Inintay lang si Holly. Where's your towel, Baba? Ako magluluto ako ng dinner namin. So, siguro makikita nyo ako naka-PJs lang tayo all day. Then, mamaya, PJs, magpapalitan ng PJs. Pagpatulog na. Kasi wala naman kayong ganun. Mamaya magja-jacket lang din
I don't know
ako.
where it is. I know where all these come on.
Okay, magluto na ako. Ikat ko na yung ating... Una, ang gawin ko muna ay... Gusto ko guys, magbiko. Wait lang. Magluto muna tayo ng biko. Ayun na siya. Inintay na siya ng mga kuya niya. So, ako kunin ko yung ating rice cooker dito. Oh. Luto tayo ng kanin na malagkit. Unahin ko muna yung kanin na
My
malagkit.
towel, I forgot that.
Your towel? Wait. I'll get your towel.
Towel.
Here's your towel. Okay. Careful, okay? See you. Okay, see you. Alisin ko muna yung laptop ko dito kasi dito tayo magsasaing. Alisin muna natin ang mga to. Wait lang guys ha. So, pinailawan na natin guys para maliwanag. And, kagabi diba sinabi ko sa inyo na alis si Jan mag-golf? Bukas pa pala yun. Nabanggit ko ba yun? Sabi ko ngayon. Bukas pa pala sila mag-golf ni Ben sa Lady somewhere. So, hugasan ko muna tong konting hugasan dito. Ito yung pinagkainan ko. Hindi ko na hugasan agad kasi nag-edit tayo. Hugasan muna. You're going with the kids?
Yeah.
Okay. Punta silang swimming, guys. See you. Maghugas, guys. Kumain ulit ako ng chocolate. Masasarap yung chocolate na kuha ko. Ito, mint. Sarap din. Hindi ako mahilig sa mint, pero masarap to. Dark chocolate with mint. Ayan. Ang sarap. Okay, hugas na muna ako. Si Ben tsaka si Jan, sila magbabantay sa mga bata sa swimming. Si Ivy kasi tsaka si Grady magbabike sila sa town. Papunta sila ng Port Elliot. Medyo mahababa yun guys. 7 kilometers. Windy. Gusto ko sana sumama pero magluluto ako eh. Kung sasama ako, wala kaming kakainin. Okay. Tapos na ako maghugas. I-dry ko na lang. Kumuha ulit ako ng chocolate. Ano to? Pink Lady. Ayan, Pink Lady. Pero brown siya, guys. Ayun yung itsura niya, oh. Kita niyo. Ayan. May sugar. Harap. Tigi-isa lang kinuha ko. Kasi baka hindi ako masarapan. Pero halos masarap silang lahat. Ayan yung kanyang laman, oh. Sabihan ko sa dyan, balik kami doon. Kasi ang sarap. $23. Kasi per kilo siya. Kunti lang yung chocolate. Kunti lang din yung ano. Medyo pricey pero masarap. Kagabi, hindi ko na vlog. Yung isa, parang ram. Tapos merong bilog na cherry. Kakaiba rin siya. Yung pagkagat ko, tumulo. Nung naglalaro doon, sa kabilang caravan, nagbaon akong chocolate. Okay. I-dry ko lang to. Magsaing ako ng malagkit. Then, mag-chop ng carrots and potato. I-timelapse ko na lang kayo guys. Kasi tinitipid ko yung ating SD card. Kasi ilang araw pa tayo dito. So, ito yung ating unang lulutuin. Yung ating malagkit. Oops. Yung malagkit. Naglagay na rin ako dito na 4 na cups na regular rice. Para mamaya. Tanggalin ko muna yung aking charger dito. Okay. Ayan. Nag-work. First time natin gagamitin yung ating rose gold na pillar. Ayan. Ang ganda ng ano niyan, no? Sana matalim. Nagdala ako, napakita ko ba sa inyo? Nagdala akong 2 chopping board. 4 silang piraso, pero 2 lang yung dinala ko. Ito yung sa hot meat. Tapos yung isa, ito yung fish ang nakalagay dyan, oh. Pero hindi naman fish ang ano natin dyan. I-chop. Bahala na. Pero nagdala tayong extra. Pero may wooden din tayong chopping board. So, okay. Balatan na natin to. And then yung potatoes. Ayan. Okay. Then after, ano naman, yung meat. So, time-lapse kayo guys, ha.
2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby don't leave.
Nagla-live pala ako sa Facebook, guys. So, eto, update ko sa inyo. Ayan, naghihiwa na ako ng baboy. And, ayan na yung carrots at saka patatas. And, nandito na yung ating malagkit. Naluto ko na rin. And, eto na yung rice, yung jasmine rice. Nagla-live ako, biglang naputol yung internet natin, guys. Oh. Sige, mamaya na lang ulit. Update ko kayo. And, naka-timelapse naman kayo dun, guys. And, yung mga bata, nandun na sila sa skate, sa park. Nakaligo na si Holly, pinaliguan na ni Jan, tsaka yung mga boys, nag-swimming sila kanina, diba? Naligo na sila, and eto yung mga bakas ng kanilang snacks. And kumuha sila ng chips din doon. nasa live ko kung hindi nyo napanood yung live ko sa Facebook, guys. Tapos na ako maghiwa, guys. Labas na tayo. Doon na tayo magluluto sa labas. Kung saan ko niluto yung eggs, doon tayo magluluto. Saksak ko lang ito. Mag-init lang ako. Ayan. Initing ko lang to. Live ako, guys. Nagla-live tayo sa Facebook. Isutay ko muna yung patatas at saka carrot. Wait lang. Talagang camping to, guys. Camping talaga to. Ay. May nahulog na 2 patatas. Sayang nun. Uy, ang sarap nung kinain ko. Wait lang, kuha ako ulit. Wala na. Last na to. Sarap nito, guys. Ito, mini. Yung mga taga-Australia or kung mayroon kayo niyan diyan sa inyo, masarap to. Wait lang, guys. Luto muna ako.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling.
What happened, my love? Who's that? What's that? What's that? Magre-report siya sa atin, guys. Nahulog daw siya eh.
There's that cord on my
Handle?
yeah.
And then,
Then I fall over on the rocks.
did you have peklat? No? Alright. Okay. Doon sila, guys. Oh. Hi, Macy, Denise. Hello. Say hi to everyone.
Lucky I had a helmet on.
I know. Lucky you have helmet.
And it went like on me like this.
Wow. Okay. Alright. Back to cooking na ako, guys. Back to cooking. Nagsusutay na ako ng bawang sibuyas. Ay, sibuyas pa lang pala. Ngayon, kunin natin yung ating toyo. Ayun yung toyo natin. Hindi na. Yan, ganyan lang siya. Kunin natin si dato puti. Okay, then sara natin. Okay, wait lang, guys. Nagla-live pa rin ako sa Facebook, guys. And sila dyan, naglalaro sila ng cards. Oh, wala na. Where's Benhan? Kanina naglalaro. Ha? Kanina naglalaro silang cards. Guys, nagbablog din ako, guys. Kasi yung hindi makapanood ng live natin, ayan, nagsusutay na ako, guys, ng sibuyas. Wala pang bawang. Ito na yung toyo natin, guys, oh. Naglalaro sila ng, ewan ko, kung anong nilalaro nila. Yung mga bata, nagkikik ng footy. Nandun sila, oh. Kuha tayong nachos. Thank you. Yeah, very hot.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it is hot. It is hot. Hot, hot, hot. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, just about. Yum. So, ayan na, guys, yung ating pork. Si Jan, natuluan yung kanyang jumper ng tacos. So, linagyan ko siya. Inisprayan ko siya nito. And natanggal naman. Very nice this one. Ang hangin. Nalobat na yung phone ko guys sa aking pa-live sa Facebook. And ayan, nilagyan ko na siya ng toyo. And si Jan siya kasi Ben, naglalaro silang cards. Ulit. Kasi kanina huminto sila saglit. Iniwan ko muna yung ating niluluto doon kasi ayusin ko yung kalat ko dito guys. Ayan. Kalat natin. Ibalik ko na to.
Down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing.
Nakapaghugas na ako guys. Ida-dry na lang natin siya. And eto, nagluto tayo. Ito yung pangalawang saing. So, bali 8 cups lahat kasi isang saing is 4 cups. So, tanggalin ko siya dito kasi dito na lang ako magluto ng aking topping para sa aking biko. Nilagay ko na yung carrots and potatoes. Pasok tayo sa carrot kasi kunin natin yung peas, yung binili kong nasa can. Then, ilang minuto na lang. Oh, lumabo na kayo. Maluluto na to. So, takpan ko muna to. Palambutin natin yung carrots and patatas. Kunin ko yung peas. Kunin natin yung peas. O, diba? I-organize ko pa to guys. Ngayon. Hanapan muna tayo. Hanapan. So, kunin. Ayan. Dito lang pala siya. Pag na-organize ko to, madalian lang kasi tayo nung nag-organize niyan. Okay. Maganda sana yung frozen kaso malaking bag siya eh. Kaya yan na lang dilata. Can you try the meat to Han? Just it's very hot, huh? I'm gonna cook the toppings for our dessert.
Is it that rice one?
Huh? The rice one, yeah. I'm just gonna... Wow! Pakindat si sir. Kunin ko yung aking... Mabibinyagan natin to guys. Ito, binyagan natin. Ito si Muduri. Pero gusto ko muna siyang pakuluan ng tubig.
My own song.
How? Someone returned it there.
No,
Where did you find it then?
it was on the wood.
Wood?
Next to the water park, the slides. It was next to the.
Did you put it there before? No. So someone returned it there.
Yeah.
Because we've been looking for that one. You couldn't find it.
I thought it was in the water when I walked past.
So now you have two. Okay.
Because if
Right, Holly.
Ayan guys, nakikita nyo. First time natin tong gamitin na stove. Ayan, kumukulo na. Pinapakulang ko lang muna. Tapos itapon ko yung tubig. I-try natin yung exhaust fan dito. Oh, diba? Parang bahay na talaga. May pa-exhaust fan din dito sa caravan. Meron din siya dito guys na pa-light, oh. Oh, diba? Kitang-kita natin ang ating niluluto. Gutom na siya yun. Dadalhin niya na yung rice dun sa kapitbahay. And meron pa tayo dito isang rice. Pinapakulang ko lang kasi dito ako magluluto ng aking biko topping. Kasi ay kumukulo na dun sa ano. Ayan. So, okay na ito. Kumukulo naman siya. Para maalis lang ba yung chemicals. Yung ginamit dito bago natin siya lutuan. Wait lang guys. So, yan. Pa-dry ko lang siya saglit. Okay naman kasi kumukulo na. So, dito na lang. Nag-change na naman ako ng plano guys. Dito ko na lang siya lutuin. And there's more rice, no, just in case.
I'll leave that there for now.
Okay. So, one last try ni Johnny boy.
Hey, baby, water.
It's alright, hon. There's fat. Don't eat the fat.
Why? Don't eat fat.
Yeah, don't eat the
I thought
fat.
you ate the fat.
Yeah, you can, but not too much.
Gotta get rid
No,
of the potato.
Hot. How's the potato? Good?
No.
Yeah? Alright. So, off ko na to. Hano, can you hold this, please? Okay. Plates. 5. 3, 4, 5. Nandito yung brush ni Holly. Then, kutsara, tinidor. Okay. You're welcome. Oops. Come on. Good.
Is this with the
Where's your
sausages, Mom?
No, it's no, it's pork belly. Eat, enjoy your tea. I'm going back to check my dessert. Ayan na siya, guys. O, diba? Sarap. Mag-Instagram lang ako. Ayan na yung ating dessert. So, dalhin ko na to doon. And then, yung ating cream. Dalhin din natin doon. Okay, let's go. And I'm gonna eat dinner na din. How is it?
Good.
Good? How is it? Yeah, how's your tea?
20.
Good. Tingnan nyo, oh, ubo. How's your tea, Max?
Caramel.
Nice? You like it?
I can't smell it.
You can smell it. Ayan na yung dessert natin, oh.
Can't wait.
Ako, kain muna ako ng dinner. Ayan guys, kumakain ako. Dessert na si Sakang nangunguna. Ayan, oh.
Berries and cream. Berries and cream. This is not dirty.
Oh, my toes are off.
Again? Do you have like a gang? I used to control my gang.
Gusto ni Max yung biko. First time niya si Kuya, hindi siya makokonut.
Say,
Si Sak, oh.
say pagos.
Pagos.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Feel the
I know yourself.
condensed milk.
There's no condensed. It's a cream and then coconut cream that,
Oh, I can feel the coconut then.
yeah. You like it? Yes.
You don't want any?
That's mine, Dad. I want more.
You want more, Sak?
That's my second, though. I want more.
We're all waiting for you.
Ubus ni Max, oh. Naubos ni Max. First time yan ni Max. And same as Ivy.
Wait,
How about you, Bao? Si Sak,
I'm lighting.
yeah, waiting siya sa second round. Pero hindi, of course, I cook. I cook for that, Zach. Si Sak nag-wait siya ng second. Pero dapat mabigyan mo na yung iba bago siya makapag second round.
Thank you.
Si Jana nagpauso ng cream. Where originally, we don't put cream. We just eat it like what it is. But Jan put cream and it's really good. Kinulang kami, guys.
Later on last night, right?
Si Max gusto pa sana kaso wala. Nasabi ko bukas gawa ko, double natin. I-double ko siya. Kasi lahat sila gusto nila.
Straight from the shower into bed.
Okay guys, hugas time. Ang daming hugasan. They love the food, babe?
Yeah.
Yes. Bring it back to
Friday.
Brady, yes.
They're no good now, are they?
It's alright for toast. Yeah, it's so good.
And down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, down. I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah.
Nagva-vacuum siya, oh. Nakaligo na tayo, guys, and nakapagpalit na tayo ng pajama. Ito ay 2-in-1. Available to sa Holy Mom Style AU or Holy Mom Style private group, guys. So, itong suit natin kasi malamig. Mga bata tulog na. Time check is 10:35. Si Jan nanonood pa siya ng TV. So, end ko na yung vlog, guys. Yun na yung vlog natin for today. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night. Good night, Han. Good night. Good night, guys.
Tell me who you see, 'cause I